Hi guys, I'm Fortnite TV and we'll be hating Squishy Fishy. It's a channel on YouTube and you can see that it's cringe. So we'll see. Welcome to my Fortnite channel. Hope you enjoy my content and subscribe to this channel. One sub, one fish. Clear cringe. These videos are really bad, so we can watch. This video has the most views, so what's so good on it? I'm subscribed to him because I wanted to know when new video is out. It's really funny to watch how bad he is.
Fun to use, but they didn't bring back 50 health for elimination. Why? Yeah. Now
Learn how to speak English first and then record.
the bow is just, it shoots a shotgun ammo and a headshot damage. I don't know. Please. Nothing? Oh, medkit. I'll take that. That's not the bow. Dance with me, boy. Dance with me, boy. Dance.
Okay, now you can see it's really cringe. Dance with me, boy. Dance with me, boy. It is really, I don't know, it is really bad. It's really cringe. And I think nobody likes that. So why is he attempting to record videos from Fortnite? He don't even know how to play it.
Come here, boy.
He's still saying the same sentences. What a noob! I was saying.
I'm gonna show.
You heard that?
Tilted. Please, can I get the ball? Oh no, he looks like a average player maybe.
What the fuck?
Okay, he doesn't look good. Oh no.
That was clear lucky. That was clear lucky.
Killed him.
Yeah, clear lucky.
Yeah. I'm not gonna take that. There's people
I'm so good at this game, but he's so bad.
here. That's scary.
He was screaming like a girl.
I need to get out of here. Who's like?
And you know, because you're a noob.
I'm coming. Oh no, there's a guy in here. He has the bow. No, that guy has the bow.
Are you dumb? You say this guy has the bow and another guy has the bow. What the fuck? He's so scared of one game. And the quality of the video. Watch this. This video is really of bad quality. Why is he impulsing him? Kill him, you noob, not impulse him. What the fuck?
Yes, I killed him.
No, the bow splash damage killed him. Lucker. The quality is so bad. Lucker. It's Lucker. It's Lucker. Just Lucker. He has only 4 kills. And the music is still repeating. I don't like that. Kill him, you noob. Yes. Your first kill, I think.
Right here. What? There's a llama.
Yeah, it's your luckiest day in life.
There's a llama right there.
Wow, nobody cares.
Okay, that was bad.
Because you're bad.
Got you, llama. Don't worry.
Half of the items was behind the wall.
Oh, that didn't hit me.
Because you're Lucker. Lucker, motherfucker.
No.
This is so noob. He's so noob. He can't even shot the player, hit the player. He can't even kill him. There is another player, another one.
Please.
You are escaping like a girl.
I escaped. I just killed my...
He is so noob. I won every my game with the bow.
I quit.
Because you're noob. Hope you enjoyed this good. I get 100 subs, maybe new video comes out